Hey guys, today I have a Whirlpool washer and I've got it filling up right now with water, and I've got a little extra lid locking mechanism that I stuck down in here, so when this lid locks we'll still be able to lift it up and see what's going on. However, at home, when you get it home and you see the lid lock come on before it agitates or spins out, it'll be locked and you won't be able to lift this up. So it's an excellent safety feature, but that's how I'm getting around it today, was just a little extra piece here. But I'm gonna show you that it fills all the way up with water, full submersion on those clothes. I've got a really heavy towel load going right now. I'm gonna show you that it agitates perfectly, drains the water out like it's supposed to. Of course, it'll fill back up for the rinse cycle, agitate and drain. And then that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. The machine itself's in about like new condition, and it's good to go. So this is the fourth load. I always do at least 4 loads and videotape the last one. That way you can see, as if you're standing here yourself checking it out, that everything works perfect. So we'll let it go ahead and fill up and switch over to the wash portion. Okay, has switched over to the wash portion. If I didn't mention it, you actually get to control how much water usage on this with the load size there. I've got it set to super, which means it's going to use the max amount of water. See, full submersion. It's doing an excellent job with that agitator, agitating those clothes and getting them very clean. So I'll let it go ahead and finish up the wash cycle, and I'll come back and show you that the water drains out. All right, and it is draining that water out. Hear it draining there nice and fast. Of course, it's gonna drain the water all the way out before it spins. And then it'll fill back up with fresh water, rinse, and we will be on to the final spin cycle next. All right, moving into the final spin cycle. It's got the drain kicked on. It's getting started spinning that nice and fast. Now, as you can see, the lid lock is on now, so you wouldn't be able to open this up here at home, but I've got it, the little switch like I mentioned there. So you see, spinning super fast, doing an excellent job extracting the water out of those clothes. Now, this is not considered an HE machine, however, it does spin as fast as the HE machine, which is great because a part of that HE designation is how fast it spins the water out of the clothes. Max extraction of water out of the clothes, cutting your drying time down by half. However, this one allows you to control how much water you get to use, so it doesn't have the HE designation. So it's got the best part of HE, which is how fast it spins, but you also get to keep the best part of the older, more traditional machines and control how much water it's going to use. And as you can see, and as you heard, sounds great. Nice, smooth operation. Super important that you make sure it's level. Put a level on there and make sure it's level front to back, side to side, and all of your legs are adjusted so there's no wobble in the machine, and you get a perfect spin every time. So that's going to be it on the washer. If I decide to pair it up with the dryer, we'll show that next. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore electric dryer, and I've got it running. I'm going to show you that everything's working perfect on it. So we've got a high heat setting, air only, and then a low heat on auto dry. And you can set that to more and get a high heat setting essentially, but 3 air controls on that. Right now I've just got it set time dry, high heat, and I'm going to show you that it's heating like it's supposed to. Then you push to start. You've got your lint trap right here. You're going to pull that out and change it after every load. So I've got my surface temperature gun right in between those 2 red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 79 degrees on the top of the dryer. If I shine it on the concrete floor, it's about 77. You go ahead and open this up. You can see the clothes are tumbling. And right inside the heating element tube, there's a ton of heat coming out of that tube. It's very hot right back behind this grill here. And that in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you set that heat setting at, but very hot inside that tube there. It's where the heat comes. The heating element's kind of back behind here. It comes up, circulates the hot air, and then goes out, and the lint trap catches the lint, and it goes out back behind the dryer and out wherever you've got it set up to ventilate on your house. We'll just hit start there. So I'll go ahead and let this finish up, but I just wanted to get a look at it working. You can can hear it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If we pair it up with a washer, that'll probably have come first and you'd already seen it. So thanks again. You guys have a great day.